this is what your regular keyboard sounds like. Or boring, right? What if I said you can change it? No, not like this. We are going to install a software which will change your keyboard sound. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To install the software, first open your browser and type Mechvibes, or link is in the description. Download and run the setup. Now select any of the pre-downloaded sounds. Done. Thanks for watching. See you in the... Wait. How can you install more sound if you want? So open Mechvibes and click on more sounds and click any of the two links in your browser. Download any sound you like. Extract the file. To get this in the application, click here, right click on Mechvibes and click custom folder. Now simply drag and drop the sounds you downloaded. If custom sounds are not showing, exit and reopen the application. Done. So that's it for this video. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
So please subscribe.